Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn about two basic Linux commands. In my previous session I have already explained about how to install Ubuntu in Windows environment. So here I am explaining basic Linux commands. We'll start with the pwd. Pwd it's a present working directory. Next ls, list of the folders and files will be available in the present working directory. You can see these all are the folders. How you can say, you can do ls hyphen l. So here you can see directory. Next ls space hyphen ltrha. If you do this, you can see a list of the hidden folders also you can able to see here by using this command. Next ls space hyphen l. These all are the different directories I have created. Now let me create another directory by using mkdir command. What it will do, it will create a new directory. Yeah, you can see new directory was created. Okay, cd change directory. Okay, test3. I am changing into the test3. We don't have any files created. Now I am trying to create one new file by using touch command. Will create a 0 KB file, test.txt. So file has created. You can see it's a 0 KB file. How you can edit the file? So by using the vi command we can create the new file and we can able to edit the existing file. Now I am trying to create the new file vi test1.txt. So here file was created and you can see I am entering into the file. Now you can click on I symbol in your system. So in your keyboard, once you press on I symbol, you can see this insert name is available. That means insert symbol. So I can able to write any kind of the data. How are you? So fine. So whatever it is you want to type, you can type. Here we have two types of the mode. So one is save and quit. Second one is only quit. So here after you have written some data or whatever the data you want to write, you can write here. After that you can type, I mean you can click escape symbol in keyboard. So once you click on escape symbol, the insert command will be gone. Next you should have to save the file. Okay, now I am trying to save the file. Here colon wq, next to exclamatory, shift 1 will be the exclamatory. I am trying to write the file and quit from the file. You can see here. Now how I can see the data? By using the cat command you can see the data. You can see test1.txt. So whatever I have written in the file level, you can see same data here. Next um, without changing how you can exit from the file, I'll show you. Again you can open vi. Let me type again. So I am in insert mode. Next I am trying to write some other information. How? Again asking, yeah, I'm writing some information. Next I'm trying to return some data. Next I'm simply quitting the data. I'm not saving the file, simply quitting the data. Enter. If I am trying to write, I mean if I am trying to see the data, you can see whatever I have written, there is nothing, simply. So we have two types of the mode. So first one is write and quit. Second one is simply quit. So yeah, next we can perform some kind of the move operations and rename operations. We have mv command. By using the mv command we can modify the file names and also we can move files from one folder to another folder. Let me show you. We have ls. We have two files here, test.txt and test1.txt. Next I'm trying to rename this file name to test2.txt. Let me do by using the mv command, test1.txt to test2.txt. Yeah, you can see file has modified. That means a file has renamed by using the mv command. Next, by using the mv command, we can able to move the file from one folder to another folder. Now we are in test3. So how we can go to back? So simply you can do double dots, so one folder back. Yeah, again I'm creating another folder by using the mkdir test4 folder I am creating. I'll show you how to remove the folders and how to remove the files. I will show you next. So I am trying to move the file from one folder to another folder. Here again I am going to do test3. Before that I am trying to take a pwd cd test4. Let me check if any files are available. We don't have any files available in test4 because just now we have created test4 folder. Now I am trying to move the files from test4 to, sorry, test3 to test4. So test3, we have two files. So let me do copy first. What copy will do? It will copy the file and one copy will be exist in the same folder. cp. Next I am trying to move to this path. Test4. Previously we don't have any files in the test4. Now I am trying to copy. Okay, let me check. We just to copy to test2. One copy is again present in the same folder. Let me check in test2 test4 folder. You can see whatever you have copied will be placed in test4 folder. So this is copy will work. If you want to move complete files by using star symbol, we can move. I'll show you. Okay, cd test3. Okay, we have two. Let me try to move complete. You can use the star symbol. Whatever the files are present in test3 will be moved into the test4. Source is test3, destination will be the test4. You can see here. Now let me check in test4. Two files will be available. You can see here test2.txt, text3, sorry, test2.txt. Now we will do move operations on same. We'll go to test3. We have two files available. Let me try to perform the move operations. Here I am using the star directly here. What it will do, it will completely remove files in test3 folder and it will place the files in test4 folder. Yeah, now, yeah, file has moved. I mean, both files have moved. We don't have any files here. So let me go to test4 folder and will validate. Okay, you can see here. Now, how you can remove the file? Using the rm, you can remove the file. File has removed. Okay, how you can remove the folder? Okay, I'll show you. Here test4 will not be a empty folder. Test3 will be the empty folder. I'll show you. Just now we have moved files from test3. Test3 we don't have any folder. Okay, we'll use rmdir command for removing the empty directories. Rmdir will be remove the empty directories. Yeah, you can see test3 has removed. If you perform same operation on test4 will not be work because test4 is not a empty directory. We have a file in test4. You can see here is the file available in test4. What we will do, either we can remove the file, after that we will remove the directory. This is one option. Second option will be we have another command. Okay, directly you can remove folder along with files. If you use this, okay, here you can see file has removed directly. Sorry, I mean folder has removed along with the files. Okay, here test1, test2, I have already created folder. I'll show you. Sorry, test1. Yeah, in test1, I have employee.txt file is available. It has some data. I'll show you. So employee ID, first name, gender, last name. So we'll do some kind of basic operations on this. What we will do next, more. So if you want to see the file, you have used to cat command. Here also same, more also will give the same information. Okay, yeah, you can see here cat and more also will give the same information. Next, if you want to, yeah, if I apply head, it will print to top 10. So from top to bottom, top 10, you can restrict the records also. 5, I want to print to 5 records only. Next, if you apply tail command, it will show from down. Okay, records from the down, you can see here bottom 10 records. If you apply tail command, you can see bottom 10 records, and here also we can restrict. If you want to see 5, you can see 5 records. Okay, next, apart from that, what kind of operations we can perform, I'll show you.